Okay, let's do these indices questions here. First one we've got is 9x cubed divided by 3x to the minus 3. So let's write that as a fraction because I prefer it that way. So you've got 9x cubed over 3x to the minus 3. Now in this, multiplication and division, the order doesn't matter. So what I would do is I would do the division here as one thing, and what you ought to do is work out this as well separately. So let's just do that. So let's do 9 divided by 3. Well, that's just equal to 3. X cubed divided by x to the minus 3, what you do is you subtract the indices. You get 3 minus 3, which will give you x to the 6. And that is your answer. Okay, this one, we've got 4 to the 3 over 2 to the 1/3. Now that's the same. The rule for that is if you've got a power of a power, you times them together. And therefore 3 over 2 times 1/3 is just 4 to the half. And 4 to the half is equal to 2. In this question, regroup the terms, so the numbers are together and the x's are together. Remember, you've got times, the order doesn't matter, so you could just write it as 3 times 2 times x to the minus, x to the minus 2 times by x to the 4. 3 times 2 is 6, x to the minus 2 times x to the 4, add the indices on this and you get x squared. On this one, do the same again as we did up here. We're going to go 3x to the power of 1/3 over 6x to the power of 2/3. Sorry, I'm messing around with the pen there. So you've got 3 over 6, which equals a half. X to the third divided by x to 2/3 is subtract the indices. 1/3 minus 2/3 is minus 1/3. So you've got x to the minus 1/3. You could write this in many different ways. So you could write this as 1/2 times 1 over x to the 1/3, which is the same as 1 over 2x to the 1/3, if you want to keep it as a fractional indice. Now 1/3 has also got another way of writing it. You could write it as 1 over 2 cube root x. 1/3 means the cube root of x. I would say that any of this, sorry, let's just undo that. Let's just highlight it. I would say that any one of this, or this would make good answers to this one. Let's review what we've just done. Remember here the order of multiplication doesn't matter, so write the numbers together, write the x's together, and then you get this answer. Here you've got power of a power, you times the powers when you got power of a power to get your answer, and the final answer was 2. And similarly here what we did was we rewrote it as a division, divide the numbers, divide the power section of the x's to get your answer.